one our YouTuber friend sent to us. It's a toy. You want to know what inside? Okay, let's open it.
Okay.
Okay. Dun, dun, dun. You know what is this?
Food.
This is a walkie-talkie. Walkie-talkie.
Yes.
Can you say walkie-talkie?
Walkie-talkie.
Yes, there are 3 walkie-talkie in one box, or a set of walkie-talkies. Three set of walkie-talkies in one box. Okay, its brand is Retevis. Its brand is Retevis RA17 and RA617. They are altogether 3 different colors. Green, yes, green walkie-talkie. This one, red, and another one is blue. Yes, so there are 3 different color of walkie-talkies.
Yes.
Okay, you want to open it?
Yeah.
Okay. So this brand is Retevis, and if you want to know more about these walkie-talkies, you can go to the website. You can go to the website here or in the video description of this video. Okay, now we open the walkie-talkie. We open the box. Okay, so all together there are 3 walkie-talkies. Okay, one. Okay, one. Okay, this one put here first. 2. What color is this? Blue and what color?
Yellow.
Orange. Now this one yellow. Okay, this one is black and red. Okay, so all together 3 walkie-talkies. Which one do you like? Which color do you like? You like this yellow? You like this blue? Oh, you like all 3. Okay, so it's very colorful. It's very suitable for children. Okay, for them to play because the color can attract them. Okay. Okay, so actually this walkie-talkie also come with a manual. Okay, also come with a manual. Okay, so it's Retevis walkie-talkie model RA17 and RA617. Okay, so let's look at the button on the walkie-talkie. Okay. Yes, you see, baby already.
Mommy.
Oh, this one for mommy.
Yes.
Oh, so have 3. We can have each of us 1. Alright. So this one for daddy, this one for mommy. Okay. Get this one. What is this?
Yes, mommy.
This one mommy. Okay. This one mommy.
This is daddy.
Okay. This is daddy.
Mommy.
Okay, mommy hold it. Alright. Okay, we can switch it on with this button. Okay, just press it. Okay, now it's switched on, and then this one is a ringtone. Okay, so we can adjust the volume. This one is adjust the volume up. This one adjust the volume down. And this one is a torch light, the LED light here. Okay, when I press this one, the light will on. Okay, so it's very suitable if we go outside at night and we can press this on, and it can make the whole area bright. Alright, so we can adjust the channel. For example, like this, we can adjust the channel. Okay, so if let's say I adjust it to channel 8, the other walkie-talkie also have to adjust to channel 8, and then we can talk to each other. Okay, we can talk to each other, and the distance is 4 km. 4 km is very far. It's quite far away. I think it's very far away. Baby, do you want to play hide and seek with this walkie-talkie? You know how to play hide and seek? Okay, baby, you go to hide. Daddy count. Okay? You hide with mommy, okay? Okay. One, two, three, four, five. Baby, where are you?
At the table.
Alright, I go to find you.
Okay.
Table, let's go to find my baby, my Gracelyn. Okay, here is the table. Okay, let's look at the table. Let's look under the table. No, no Gracelyn. You see? Gracelyn, you are not under the table. Where are you?
Behind the curtain, behind the curtain. Behind the curtain.
Behind the curtain? Behind the curtain? Okay, I go to find you. Okay, it's behind the curtain. Alright. Okay, so is the curtain? Let's go to find. No. No, you are not behind the curtain.
The sofa.
Under the sofa or behind the sofa or beside the sofa? Again, beside the sofa or under the sofa or behind the sofa? Okay, I think it is beside the sofa. Let's go find again. 짜잔! 꽃이! Alright, now my baby is not here. She is far away, so I'm going to ask her to sing a song for me. Okay, she's at the kitchen. Okay, I'm going to ask her to sing a song for me. I'm in the living room. Gracelyn, where are you?
Here.
Can you sing a song for me? I miss you too. I love you. I love you too. Okay, so besides, do you see this? Okay, this one is for us to hang on our shoulders or on our clothes like this. Okay, we can hang it. Okay, because it has hands-free function. Okay, hands-free function. We just press the menu for 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Okay, do you see the box? Okay, the box is a hands-free function. Okay, so this is the hands-free function. So when I hang it here, For example, when I'm heading here, okay, and then I can talk. Hello, hello. Okay, so the other side will hear or will listen what I say. Okay, so it's very good. This is a hands-free function, so it's very suitable for outdoor activities. Okay, baby, I think that's all for our review today. Baby, say goodbye to the camera.
Goodbye.